Before you build your next house, stop for a moment. What happens underneath your building can determine how strong that building will be for years to come. Many expensive building problems begin long before the walls are completed. In this video, I will show you 7 foundation mistakes that can lead to serious structural problems, and more importantly, what you should look for before construction moves forward. Mistake number 1 is treating every piece of ground as if it were the same. It isn't. Soil conditions can vary significantly from one site to another. A foundation design should be based on the building, the site conditions, and appropriate professional assessment. Never assume that because a foundation worked somewhere else, exactly the same approach will work on your site. The second mistake is poor excavation. A foundation trench should not simply be dug according to guesswork. Its dimensions and bearing conditions need to match the design. Over-excavation, under-excavation, unstable sides, and unsuitable material left at the foundation level can all create problems. Mistake number 3 is incorrect reinforcement. Reinforcing steel is not decoration. Its size, spacing, position, anchorage, and concrete cover should follow the structural design. Moving reinforcement randomly, reducing the specified bars, or placing steel in the wrong position can affect the performance of reinforced concrete. Mistake number 4 is poor concrete practice. Concrete performance depends on the materials, proportions, mixing, placement, compaction, and curing. Adding uncontrolled amounts of water simply to make concrete easier to work with can change its properties. The concrete specification should always be followed. Mistake number 5 is ignoring water. Water management is one of the most important parts of protecting a building. Poor drainage can contribute to erosion, moisture problems, and deterioration around foundations. Your site should be designed so that water is properly controlled and directed away from vulnerable areas. Mistake number 6 is rushing the foundation. Construction is not a race. Before covering important work, the responsible professional should verify that the work matches the approved design and required standards. Once reinforcement and other components are hidden inside concrete or soil, correcting mistakes becomes much harder. Mistake number 7 is building without proper professional oversight. Online videos can teach you useful principles, but they cannot replace a qualified professional assessing your specific building and site. Structural design, foundation dimensions, and construction requirements must be determined according to the applicable codes and the actual conditions of the project. Before you move to the next stage, stop and inspect. Check the ground conditions. Check the excavation. Check reinforcement. Check concrete requirements. Check drainage. Check dimensions. And most importantly, confirm that the work matches the design and applicable building requirements. A good foundation is not about making the biggest foundation possible. It is about having the right foundation for the building, the ground conditions, the loads, and the applicable design requirements. Good construction starts with good decisions. Let's quickly recap. Number 1, ignoring the ground conditions. Number 2, poor excavation. Number 3, incorrect reinforcement. Number 4, poor concrete practice. Number 5, ignoring water. Number 6, rushing construction. And number 7, failing to get proper professional inspection. Your house deserves more than a beautiful exterior. It needs a foundation designed and constructed properly from the beginning. If you found this information useful, subscribe to the Building Professor for practical building and construction education. Share this video with someone planning to build, and tell me in the comments, which foundation mistake have you seen people make most often?